Welcome to poetrymix. How to get Tesla insurance. Introduction. As Tesla continues to revolutionize the automotive industry with its electric vehicles, it also offers insurance coverage specifically tailored for Tesla owners. Tesla Insurance provides a seamless experience, combining the expertise of the company with an understanding of the unique features and technology of Tesla vehicles. In this article, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to obtain Tesla insurance. Research and familiarize yourself with Tesla insurance. Start by visiting the official Tesla website at www.tesla.com and navigate to the insurance section. This section will provide you with an overview of Tesla insurance, including its benefits, coverage options, and available discounts. Take the time to understand the details of the insurance policy to determine if it aligns with your needs. Check Tesla insurance availability in your region. Tesla insurance availability varies by country and even by state or province. Verify if Tesla insurance is available in your specific region by selecting your country or region on the website. If Tesla insurance is not yet available in your area, you may need to explore other insurance options for your Tesla vehicle. Gather the required information. Before obtaining a Tesla insurance quote, gather the necessary information. This typically includes personal details such as your name, address, contact information, and driving history. You may also need to provide information about your Tesla vehicle, such as its model, year, and vehicle identification number, VIN. Customize your coverage. Tesla Insurance offers various coverage options to suit your needs. These may include comprehensive coverage, liability coverage, collision coverage, and additional add-ons such as rental car coverage or roadside assistance. Assess your requirements and choose the coverage that provides adequate protection for your Tesla vehicle. Request a Tesla insurance quote. Once you have gathered all the required information and selected your desired coverage options, submit a request for a Tesla insurance quote. The insurance provider associated with Tesla will review your details and generate a quote based on the information provided. This process may take some time, so be patient while waiting for the quote. Review the quote. Once you receive the Tesla insurance quote, carefully review the coverage, terms, and pricing. Pay close attention to the deductible amount, limits of liability, and any additional features included in the policy. Compare the quote with other insurance options to ensure you are getting the best coverage at a competitive price. Purchase Tesla insurance. If you are satisfied with the quote and the coverage meets your requirements, you can proceed with purchasing the Tesla insurance policy. Follow the instructions provided by Tesla to complete the purchase process, which may involve providing additional information and making the required payments. Conclusion. Obtaining Tesla insurance is a straightforward process that begins with researching the coverage options available on the Tesla website. By gathering the necessary information, customizing your coverage, and requesting a quote, you can secure insurance coverage specifically designed for your Tesla vehicle. Remember to review the quote carefully and compare it with other options to ensure you are making an informed decision. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with protecting your Tesla with insurance tailored to its unique features and technology.